Hello guys and welcome back to Culture Trading Hub. And if you see me here, you just know I have some good trading strategy for you that I'm ready to share with you and help you make some dollars from the markets. Now, I want to show you a new rise and fall strategy, and today we are going to use something new called indicators. So we're going to use two indicators that are basically provided for free. You can be able to add them to your chart for free, and I'll show you how to do that. And in this case, we are using what we call the moving average indicators, but we are going to use the moving average exponential indicator. So a moving average indicator is basically an indicator that shows you the average movement of price action within a given numbers of candlesticks or bars. So you find that probably runs from you can have a moving average with 10 bars. It means it has done the average of the last 10 bars that have been created in the market. So I don't want to waste much time here. So that we don't waste much time, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, and let us dive straight into it. So guys, make sure also you watch this video to the end, because if you watch the video halfway, you won't be able to understand what is happening, and then probably you end up being frustrated because of this, and that can lead to you probably saying that trading is a scam or something, which it is really not. You're going to go and search trading view implementation, by Deriv. So advanced charts, and then you need to select the market that you're looking at. So on the top left here, you can be able to see the market that you are working with. You can come to derived, look at the market that you want to deal with. Let's say it's volatility 10 1 second index. You can see, so on the time frame you can use the time frame that you feel that you're comfortable with. So mostly using the 1 minute. Now we are going to go ahead and go to the indicators tab. You can see the indicators tab there. So just going to click on the indicators tab, and then we are going to search moving average exponential. Here it is. So you just click, and you click on it twice. Just click on it twice. So now the thing is, you're going to come to the settings of the moving averages. So I'm going to come to the settings here. You have the setting icon here. Just click on it. So just click on it, and then on the inputs, under the inputs, I want you to change the length from 9 to 30. From 9 to 30, and the source should be the close, and then just click on OK. You can as well go ahead and change the color if you want. So just go under style. You can change the color to the color that you feel like is okay with you, and you can also change the thickness like that so that you can see it better. So the other one, we are still going to leave it at 9. Probably you can just adjust the thickness of the line, and yeah, there you have it. So now with this information, we just need to wait. We have two moving averages, exponential moving averages, the 30. So the 31, we call it what we call the slow. So the one with the length of 30 is the slow moving average, and that with the length of 9 is the faster moving average. So I need to increase the size of this so that you can be able to see them well. Perfect. So like that. Now with this information, what we need to do now is to just wait for the market, for the faster moving average to cross the slower moving average. So the 9 one, which is in this case the blue one, you can see EMA close, it's blue here. The other one is the other one, the slower moving average is purple. So now you can see we just need to wait for the market to cross. So if we now come down and write down our strategy, so you just create a simple strategy here, and we can say point number 1 is that if the moving the faster moving average, remember we have named them, the faster moving average crosses the slower moving average to the upside or to the downside, then we get in. So we get in on fall trade, and the duration should be 10 minutes. That is the strategy for sell. Now the strategy for buy is basically the opposite of what we have just written down. So you can say if the faster moving average crosses the slower moving average to the upside, so like for example, I'll show you the example here, to the upside, then we should get in on rise market in the next or within the next 10 minutes. So that means the contract will close after 10 minutes. So this is now the strategy that you need to have. So for example, like you can see, we have had a few signals. So signal number 1 was at this particular point. So let me just highlight it quick. So it crossed here. You see, it went ahead and bought. Again, it crossed here. So you would have gotten 2 signals there. Again, it also closed again. It tried to cross down and then closed again to the upside here. So basically means this market was in an uptrend. Even if you draw a trend line, you will see that. And now the market basically changed direction, and the faster moving average now crossed the slower moving average to the downside, which basically means now we would have gotten in on basically a fall trade here. And you can see since then that market, we haven't received any other signal. We will now have to wait for this market, the faster moving average, now to come and cross the slower moving average. If it does that, at that exact point after it has crossed, now we can get in on rise market. And remember, on the timer we are setting 10 minutes. So that is a very simple strategy, but it works wonders. Just needs basically you be patient, and remember that the time frame that we are using is basically the 1 minute time frame, so that doesn't take a very long time, but you can as well use it in other time frames. So guys, I want you to go ahead and try the strategy out, and probably in the comment section give us basically the kind of results or the performance that you got. Remember, it is always good to test your strategy before you ever try it on a live account. So that is it for this particular strategy. And if you haven't understood, just go back, rewatch the video, you're going to get it better. So guys, let us meet in the next episode as I explain more on basically working with technical analysis on the charts, basically in the trading view implementation for Deriv.